Let's see if we can get the old girl started again, eh? Put the old aerostart in there. Oh, you're kidding. I missed half of it for crying out loud. You idiot. Whoa. Well, the aerator hasn't been going. I've just worked out why. Because it's not plugged in. So somebody's plugged the extension lead in up there to use down here for obviously the spit, and they haven't plugged it back in again. And it tripped out as well. So the deep freezers. Oh dear, oh dear. Alright, put this in. Lucky it's got a switch on it so we can turn it off. That will plug this baby back in. Get the aerators going in the dam. Oh, the switch doesn't work. Perfect. Anyway, that was an easy fix. Thank goodness for that. I thought the pump was broken. Dear oh dear. I wish people had put things back together. Anyway, we've got loons here with all the packies here, and they don't like dogs. We've got our little buggy here. We need to get this thing going. Need to check it out. Where's the battery for it? Don't know. There. Oh, down the bottom, down there. Down there. I should take that battery out, charge it up, because it's probably flat as a tack. I might even do that. Oh, what's that? Anyway, we'll have a look at that. So I was actually just thinking it'd be good to test this battery. I've taken it out, and lo and behold, I brought my test lamps with me. My U-Butte Ripper Flukies. Fluke is very, very good stuff, but man, it's expensive. But that's what happens with good stuff. You got to pay for it. So I wonder how many volts? 20? What? Oh, 19. I know why. Because of this baby here. That baby there. So I wonder, that shouldn't be putting 20 volts in. I wonder if this regulator's gone on this thing. No, it looks alright. It's got 20 volts. I'll disconnect the solar panel and see if we've got anything here. This should turn over. Just disconnect this here. If I can get it out. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's see what the battery's got. But regardless, if I've got 20 volts from the solar panel, it should kick over, you'd think. 13 volts. 12 volts. The battery's got power to it. That's cool. Wonder if it'll start. I might just plug the old solar panel back in, give it a bit more oomph. Let's see if she'll start. It didn't last time. I think there's something wrong with it. Anyway, we'll have a look. Let's see if we can get it to start. And I'm pretty sure that you actually have to be sitting in there with your foot on the brake, maybe. Wow, this thing needs a clean. Man. Jeez. Filthy. Nothing. Why not? Why is that not going? Maybe because it's... You might have to put it into... That's reverse. Don't know what that is. Low. Didn't change. I reckon. Let's see. there's neutral. Now it might. Oh no, it's still not going. Why not? Why aren't you working? I wonder if it is the battery. Not enough Herbies in the battery. It's saying 12 volts. I really need to see if we're getting power to the starter motor when we start it up. Anyway, that's for another day. Doing a quick fence check. All these old fences, see all these old split pickets here, all hand done. That one could probably come out. I actually looked up yesterday. An Aussie guy invented the old star pickets in the 1920s. So some of these split posts could be 100 years old, which would mean if they are, it would have been Greg Blaxland's dad that put them in, James Blaxland. All this stuff's all done by hand. And then they got to put holes through it all. Chop down the wood. Chop down the old trees, then chop it into pieces, then split it into nice sections. Drill holes through it all. Pretty laborious. Anyway, so here's an example of, this is where the sheep are getting through. So you should have a bottom plain wire like down here, which someone's just put on there, but there's no real bottom planes on here. Because there's no bottom plain wire, pigs and stuff like that get under it, or sheep. It mainly something starts a hole, and then once a hole starts, they just get stuck into it. So all I can do for the time being is just put this log in here, try and stop them. I'll have to come back and I'll actually tie this down onto the log to stop them getting through. But I just counted 24 sheep up there, and I've just found there's some more there. On our side there's another, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe half a dozen or so. But I need to come in and clean this up. Look at what happened in here from the storm. It's annihilated it. That was a while ago. That was probably 7 years or something. But I can't get through. I need to clear this so that we can get a track along our fence line. Anyway. Wow, that tree there looks like it might have been an old fence. See an old strainer or something maybe. There's all the ring marks on it. That's what I'm assuming anyway. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. All this stuff here, stringy bark, nice hardwood. There's some good bits over there, that's for sure. There's some rippers there. Well, we might have to come down here and get that. Now, here's another little spot here. Actually, there's a few spots here. This centerpiece of plane's broken down here, and it looks like things have been pushing through. This will be quite easy to fix, this one, because this has got a bottom plane wire on it. But you can see how they start, and that's pretty loose too. But there's where that's broken, so we'll have to try and strain that up. Strain that up and join it, and then fix all this stuff to the bottom. Because things just go under. The sheep haven't been going under there yet, but it's roos or pigs or something has definitely been going through that one. Once they start going, it gets really stretched too, which is a bugger. But there's another spot up here where they've been getting in. Oh yeah, look, that could be somewhere there too. But yeah, look at it here. Oh man, more stuff to do. She's very wobbly. But at least this is all star pickets. There's no old split timber in here. Anyway, we'll keep going along, see where else there is. Oh well, I've been meaning to do this for 3 years. So I thought I'd better start doing it, forming up the pads here for the container. So I try and square everything up and level it all up and all that sort of stuff. A bit hard on this ground. The old ground's not the best, it's a little bit out. Could go up a bit higher there. Let's see if we can get the old girl started again, eh? Get a bit of fuel. Put the old aerostart in there. Let's see if we can get it started. Oh, it'd help if I pulled it properly. Mixing up, eh? I hope this is going to be enough. Where's the hole? Oh, you're kidding. I missed half of it. For crying out loud. You idiot. You spastic. I missed it. I literally missed half of it. Ah. Like, really? You've got to be kidding me. It's not enough anyway. Look at this. Oh. Might have been enough. What a clown. What an absolute clown. Well, to make sure I get it in this time, I'm actually going to shovel it in. Because I don't want to put too much in there anyway. Gee whiz, there might not be enough. But these. Might have to mix up more. Close. I don't think it's going to be enough. There's not enough. No! One post out of the ground. The old timber post, she's pretty knackered.
Oh. There's still wire on it.
Oh. Where's Loons?
Luna!
Oh, another post. Right, give that a go. go that way a little bit, but that's all right. It's better being that way.
Yeah. Check that.
Oh, it needs to go that way.
That's just gonna be where it is. That's it.
Oh,
Hang on.
all right. A little bit more. All right. Post. That's not too damaged.
How level is it?
Oh, man. It's overcast because we're going to get some rain, but I tell you what, it is so hot. It is really hot. And it shouldn't be. Wonder what the temperature is. Oh, look at that. I've got 2 bars of 5G out here. That's not bad. Oh, it's probably because I can see through the towers up there. I can actually see the tower from here. Straight through. What's it saying the current temperature is? 23 degrees. Wow. It's good though with the rain and the temperature, we're getting grass growing. So if we get a couple of weeks before the frost come in, we'll get some grass, which will be awesome. Because we haven't had any for the last 2 months. Anyway, Braden's just clearing this out, flattening it out with the excavator. Flatten out the old post. Ugh. Lucky the trailer for the nice and strong. Maybe I shouldn't have put the GoPro on there. It's bouncing.
Will.
Enough. Hopefully that's enough. Old Crispy over there, wherever he is, felt sorry for me because I hadn't been working on my beetle for so long. So they've all come up to work on the beetle, and I'm just doing a bit of sandblasting. How come you turned it off?
Because we're going to get all the parts off it before you go too nuts.
Oh yeah, I should probably spread the tarp out more. Well, we got the whole crew paint stripping the old beetle. They all felt sorry for me because I haven't done any work on it for 7 years. 2019 I built the motor for it. Wow. So it's been sitting here rusting away. It wasn't too rusty. And now we've got rust. Got a bit of rust in there, bit of rust there. Got some rust down here, and some rust in here, a bit in there too. But the doors and everything are perfect. There's no rust in this bodywork, which is unreal. Really good. Anyway, paint stripping, getting all the paint off hopefully. And then we'll do some work on it and prime it, prime it, then prime it. Oh, look at the cancer in here too. Yuck. Anyway. Well, the old paint is certainly taking its toll in trying to come off. They definitely painted it.
I had a glove on and everything was the whole straight through his wrist.
This one here's come off really well. Come off really well. But on the roof it's not. That's because they knew how to paint cars back then. Anyway, everyone's getting stuck into it. That's for sure. The poor little baby, look at it. Oh, bit of surface rust on there. Anyway, should be right. Whoa. Trying to freeze this calf cord to get it off. Whoa, crispy. Oh, goodness me. Have a go. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Look at it.
It is working, isn't it? Yeah.